Halo Pendant uses the fancy gallery setting. You can adjust the claws. We're using the offset girdle curve to build the underside carriage of the Halo Pendant. What I mean by that is, see the underside gallery? Location of the pipes, number of pipes, length of pipes. So we're just adding an under gallery to the round brilliant halo maker. Very simple concept. So this is where you can get fancy with things. So let's go with oval. Emerald. So this is how you can combine. Here's a fancy, where is it? Fancy claws, fancy gallery setting, and round brilliant halo. Round brilliant halo 1. So, and what we're doing is using the offset girdle curve to make the base under gallery. Thank you for watching.